Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer photos from your Android phone over to a USB thumb drive. Now, I have my USB drive. However, you can see in my case, it is a USB-C or a USB 2 rather, and I need to put on a little converter to a USB-C. Essentially, we're going to use the charging port on your Android phone to be able to transfer those files. So in most cases, it's a USB-C, and you need to make sure that that thumb drive or USB drive is a USB-C. Now, all we're going to do is plug it in. So let me plug in that thumb drive here. And now you won't see anything immediately. There are no pop-ups, but let's go in and transfer those photos. You have an option to either go into the Google Photos app or the Samsung Photos app if you have a Samsung phone. So I have a Samsung Galaxy, so you can see my files here, but you can also just go into the Google Photos app, and there at the bottom, you should be able to see the storage pop up. Now I'm going to walk you through the steps in the My Files app, just because it tends to work a bit better in here on your Samsung phone. Now it should show up under internal storage. I find that this is really finicky. You can see it's plugged in, it's still not showing up. So I'm just going to unplug it and then plug it back in. Again, it's really finicky. For whatever reason, there it is, it shows up. There's that USB storage. I can tap on it. And you can see if there's anything on there, you can see just a random folder. Let's start adding those photos in. So I'm going to go back, tap on images at the top left, and let's say I want to bring all three of these images in. So I'm going to press and hold on the image and then select all three of them here. Now, you have the option to either move them, which will delete them from your Android phone, or just make a copy and copy a copy over. So in my case, I want to keep them on my phone. So I'm just going to hit copy. And on here at the top, you can see USB storage 1. I want to copy it to there. So I'm going to tap on that. And then you might want to add a folder or whatever, or just dump them in here. I'm just going to hit copy here. You can see all of those have been copied now. Let's make sure they're in there just by tapping the back arrow and tap on USB storage 1. And there are all of those photos now in there. Let's go through the process now of unmounting it or ejecting it from your phone. So tap on those three dots at the top right, and you can see there is unmount. Just tap on that button. It will remove it and allow it to be safely unmounted or ejected. Now you can pull it out and you have a copy of all those photos on your USB drive as well. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.